Hello everyone, so I thought I'd just do a very quick video of one of our studio flats that we own. So this is the pub that was converted into 9 flats. This is the studio. I'll turn the camera around. Can you guess where the bed was? So a lot of people say, what do we use? Enviro vent. This works the flat next door and filters out outside. So this is the entrance hall. We have HIC vision for people's security, hallway, down to the basement, into the flat. Turn lights on. So, as I said, the environment, just because part of the planning conditions we can have non-openable windows, which is quite quiet in here actually. So, we're not allowed to have any windows that open. So, that's to allow the air exchange. Nice grey wall, you can imagine a bed, sofa at the end of the bed, and a TV in that corner there. So if you're either lying in bed or on a sofa, it's quite a nice floor area. You see your TV over there. That's the kitchen area that we put in. Enough to put a washer, a 600 fridge freezer, oven hob and extractor, bathroom. We created the boiler cupboard. That was the original chimney area, as you can see. That chimney went in. We created this to incorporate the boiler so the flue can extract from the outside. Fuse board, sub meter. Okay, so every flat or studio has got its own gas meter. We sub meter. We use these meters from Westwood Meters, and then my lettings team charge them out accordingly each month or quarter. They always average between £5 and about £12 a month on electric, so it's pretty good for bills. Thermally upgraded, thermally upgraded, thermally upgraded, thermally upgraded. So all passed and came in at, I'll have to check, I think it was high C, nearly a B on this. So yeah, thought I'd give you an insight.